Most people think Susan B. Anthony dollars are boring. People say they are ugly. People say they are worth nothing. Many collectors ignore them. Some people even spend them without looking. And that mistake has cost people serious big money. Because the 1980 US dollar is not like the others. It was never made for everyday use. It was made only for collectors. And inside that small group of coins, a rare version slipped out quietly. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was first made in 1979. It was the first U.S. coin with a real woman on it. That alone made history. But the public did not like it. People confused it with a quarter. Stores did not want it. By 1980, the U.S. Mint already knew the coin was a problem. So something strange happened. In 1980, the San Francisco Mint made Susan B. Anthony dollars only as proof coins. That means shiny, mirror-like coins made with extra care. You could not get them in change. You had to buy them in special proof sets. Now here is where the mystery starts. On the front of the coin, above the date, there is a small letter S. That S means it was made in San Francisco. But there are two different kinds of that S. Two. And one of them is worth far more big money than the other. The first one is called the Type 1S mint mark. This is the common one. The S looks soft. It looks a little blurry. The edges are not sharp. Many people describe it as filled in or blobby. Most 1980 S proof dollars have this mint mark. These coins are nice, but they are not rare. Most of them sell for $5 to $15. Maybe a bit more if they are perfect. Nothing shocking, but the second one is where the hidden treasure lives. This is the Type 2S mint mark. This S looks totally different. It is sharp. It is clean. You can see clear edges and smooth curves. It looks like it was punched with care. This mint mark was not announced. Collectors did not know about it at first. The mint never said, "Hey, we changed the mint mark." It just happened. Quietly. And because of that, many people missed it. When collectors finally noticed, it was already too late. The Type 2 coins were scarce. And demand exploded. This is where big money entered the picture. A normal 1980 S Type 2 proof dollar can sell for $150. Some sell for $300. Some sell for $500. And that is just for a nice example. Condition matters a lot. If the coin has deep mirrors and strong contrast between the shiny fields and the frosty design, the value jumps fast. Coins graded PR69 Deep Cameo by top grading companies have sold for $800, $1,000, and sometimes more. And when a perfect PR70 Deep Cameo appears, collectors go crazy. These coins are rare. Registry collectors fight for them. Auctions turn intense. And prices can climb into the thousands. There have been auction sales that shocked even experienced collectors. One top-grade 1980 S Type 2 proof sold for over $4,000. Let that sink in. $4,000. For a coin that most people think is worth $1. That is life-changing value for some families. That is real hidden treasure. Now let's slow down and talk about how you can tell if you have one. This is very important. You do not need fancy tools. You do not need to be an expert. You just need your eyes and a little patience. First, check the date. It must say 1980. Next, look above the date. You should see a small S. If there is no S, it is not the coin we are talking about. Now look closely at that S, use a magnifying glass if you can. Or zoom in with your phone camera. If the S looks thick, soft, or messy, it is probably Type 1. That is the common one. If the S looks thin, sharp, and clean, you may have the Type 2. The difference becomes clear once you compare pictures online. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Next, look at the surface of the coin. Proof coins should look like mirrors. You should be able to see reflections. The design, especially Susan's face and hair, should look frosty. The stronger the contrast, the better. Collectors call this cameo or deep cameo. Strong cameo means more big money. Now check the rim. The rim should be clean and even. No big nicks. No dents. Proof coins are very sensitive. Even small damage can lower value a lot. Check for spots, haze, or scratches. A clean coin is always worth more. Here is another shocking part most people do not know. Some 1980s proof dollars have errors. Yes, even proof coins can have mistakes. And error coins can be worth even more big money. There are proof coins struck with debris. There are off-center proof strikes. There are coins with strange frost patterns. There are even coins with weak or damaged mint marks. These errors are rare. And collectors love them. Depending on the error, values can range from a few $100s to several thousand. When you combine an error with a Type 2 mint mark, things get serious fast. So why is this coin still under the radar? Why haven't prices gone even higher? The answer is simple. Most people still believe Susan B. Anthony dollars are junk. That belief is wrong. And it is exactly why hidden treasure still exists. Many proof sets from 1980 are sitting untouched. In closets. In safety deposit boxes. In old collections passed down from parents or grandparents. People sell them cheap. People ignore them. And inside some of those sets is a coin worth big money that no one checked. This is how treasure hunting works in real life. It is quiet. It is slow. And it rewards people who pay attention. If you have ever bought a proof set. If you inherited coins. If you found old mint packaging. If you know someone who collected coins in the late 1970s or early 1980s, you need to check now. Not later. Now. Because once these coins are removed, graded, and locked into collections, fewer remain loose. And when supply drops, prices rise. That is how markets work. That is how life-changing value is created. Imagine finding out a coin you ignored for years is worth $1,000. Imagine finding out it is worth more. That feeling is real. Collectors experience it every year. And it always starts with curiosity. Right now, there are still 1980s Type 2 coins out there that are mislabeled. Undervalued. Sitting in old holders. Waiting for someone to notice that sharp little s. And here is the scary part. Many people sell these coins without knowing what they had. Once it is gone, it is gone. That opportunity disappears forever. So do not make that mistake. Take a few minutes. Check your coins. Look closely. That tiny detail could change everything. And this is just one coin. There are others. Coins with errors. Coins with secret varieties. Coins with big money hiding in plain sight. If you want to keep learning about real hidden treasure, about coins with life-changing value, and about how to spot them before everyone else does, stay with this channel. Subscribe. Because the next coin we talk about could be even more shocking. The biggest treasures are not buried. They are already in your hands.